a man of words, wisdom, and unwavering courage. These are his most powerful thoughts. Timeless, honest, and unforgettable, nearly all men can stand adversity. But if you want to test a man's character, give him power. Whatever you are, be a good one. I am a slow walker, but I never walk back. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves. My great concern is not whether you have failed, but whether you are content with your failure. Character is like a tree, and reputation like its shadow. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other one thing. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. A house divided against itself cannot stand. Truth is generally the best vindication against slander. I do the very best I know how, the very best I can, and I mean to keep on doing so until the end. No man is good enough to govern another man without that other's consent. You cannot help people permanently by doing for them what they could do for themselves. Commitment is what transforms a promise into reality. I will prepare, and someday my chance will come. In the end, it's not the years in your life that counts, it's the life in your years. Tact is the ability to describe others as they see themselves. The ballot is stronger than the bullet. Better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak and remove all doubt. The best way to destroy an enemy is to make him a friend. I destroy my enemies when I make them my friends. Whatever you are, be a good one. Nothing valuable can be lost by taking time. People are just as happy as they make up their minds to be. I have always found that mercy bears richer fruits than strict justice. Public sentiment is everything. You can fool some of the people all of the time, and all of the people some of the time, but you cannot fool all of the people all of the time. Stand with anybody that stands right. Stand with him while he is right, and part with him when he goes wrong. Discourage litigation. Persuade your neighbors to compromise whenever you can. I do not think much of a man who is not wiser today than he was yesterday. Those who look for the bad in people will surely find it. My experience has taught me that people who have no vices have very few virtues. Important principles may and must be inflexible. The probability that we may fail in the struggle ought not to deter us from support of a cause we believe to be just. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today. I care not much for a man's religion whose dog and cat are not the better for it. When the white man governs himself, that is self-government. Let Abraham Lincoln remind us, greatness begins with character.